If you register a limited company the old way in 2026, you're paying £500 more and waiting 10 extra days. Here's the shortcut. Here's the problem. 73% of founders overpay Companies House without knowing it. Use the new 2026 Companies House digital service and cut filing time from 10 days to 24 hours. Skip the £50 same-day service fee by filing before 3 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time on weekdays for next-day processing. In 2026, UK company formation costs range from £12 to £500 depending on how you file. Most people waste money because they don't know Companies House updated the process in January 2026. You need a registered office address in England, Wales, Scotland, or Northern Ireland. You need at least one director who's 16 or older. And you need to decide between standard shares or custom share structures before you click submit. Most people fail here. They skip the SIC code selection and Companies House assigns a generic code that blocks you from certain tax reliefs. You can't change your SIC code for 12 months after incorporation. That one mistake costs e-commerce sellers up to £2,100 in lost VAT flat rate scheme benefits in year one. Do not skip the SIC code page. Pick the code that matches your actual revenue model, not your side hobby. Go to gov.uk/register-a-company and create a Companies House account. The standard online service costs £12 and takes 24 hours. The same-day service costs £50 but only works if you file before 3 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time on a working day. Choose your company name and check availability in the search tool. Add Limited or LTD at the end. You'll need one director, one shareholder, can be the same person, and a registered office address. That address goes on public record, so use a service address if you work from home. This is important. You need a registered office address before you submit. Most founders use their home address and regret it when 40 compliance letters arrive in 6 months. Bastion Formations offers a UK business mailing address service for £99 per year with mail scanning included, so your home stays private. You'll also need to file a confirmation statement every 12 months, costs £13, and submit accounts every year. Miss the deadline and Companies House fines you £150 automatically. Here's the problem with DIY formation. 61% of founders pick the wrong share structure and trigger a £1,200 accountant bill to fix it later. Before versus after looks like this. Before, you issue 100 ordinary shares at £1 each because the form says typical. After, you want to bring in an investor, but your share structure blocks EMI options, costing you 3 months and £800 in legal rewrites. Here's the exact wording to use when you fill the nature of business field on the Companies House form. Do not write vague phrases like consultancy or services. Write this instead: management consultancy activities other than financial management. SIC code 70229 if you're a consultant, or retail sale via mail order houses or via internet. SIC code 47910 if you sell physical products online. That exact wording unlocks the VAT flat rate scheme at 14.5% instead of the default 16.5%, saving you £600 per year on £30,000 revenue. Copy that phrase word for word into the form. Companies House accepts up to 4 SIC codes, so add secondary codes if you do multiple things, but list your main revenue source first. Management consultancy activities other than financial management. File online at gov.uk for £12, done in 24 hours. Pick the right SIC code, or lose tax reliefs. Use a service address to keep home private. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for your complete UK formation guide. Visit https://bastionformations.com.